including CS Ichungw'Ah Murkomen, our CS Transport and Infrastructure, who now prides himself of having gone or come to Alliance. And I keep telling him there's a difference between saying I went to the Alliance High School and I have been to Alliance High School. CS Ichungw'Ah Murkomen, who is now a parent here, has been to the Alliance High School. But his son, when the time comes, he will have the pride of saying that he went to the Alliance High School. Your Excellency, allow me to first begin by confirming before our very eminent leaders of the church, the Alliance of Churches that founded this school. Because a few months ago when we had the Shakahola massacre and Shakahola cult, CS Ichungw'Ah Murkomen had the audacity to forward to me something that he collected on social media that's saying the next cult to deal with is a cult of those who say, I went to Alliance. Your Excellency, allow me to confirm this afternoon that I went to Alliance High School is not a cult. We are a generation of men who attended this school, left with a rich heritage, and we are extremely proud of what we got from this school. And we live on our lives appreciating the heritage of this school and everything that we learned and came out of this school with. Your Excellency, if you go to the back of our program, you will see the school prayer that guides every young man who walks into this school.